Hello everyone, hope you guys doing amazing out there. It's another day in the village. Today, this morning, we're cooking Barracuda fish. We're grilling this fish from the scratch, then later we'll cook Akple and tadi. This food is authentic Voltarian food. So while you're enjoying the video, please consider liking the video, commenting and share your ideas with us. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this relaxing video. Thank you very much. Let's get into the video.
I'm going to rinse it now. As you can see here, I have lime. I'm going to make sure I use this lime to get the fish smell out. So I'm going to use the lime. Babe! I need a plaster. From the house, so I managed to get one of the dust. I don't know how to call it in English. I managed to get some of this remain from the coconut tree, and I also use some of this from the palm tree as well. You know, I use this to light my barbecue a lot. So the barbecue is almost ready. I can see I managed to get a fire lit, so okay. Like la cámara, Akple baracho, abo mo akple, ablu ye. Olivier, ya te vas a subir la. Master in this food. Because this Barracuda. Me ya te vas a subir na. Y la show, marana runja na pa ba. Vivin tonto ah. Yo aquí va rápido.